Hi, I'm Jorge Joseph. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director of Skye, Beverage Above Ground Incorporated. Skye is located at the heart of BGC. It's in Fort Bonifacio. We're located at 27th floor, penthouse of Dusit Dito Hotel BGC. Well, basically, speed was always a problem, especially during the pandemic. We had a problem because most users were using the local internet provider and the broadband was slower than usual. So with Kacific BambuNet, we were able to have a secondary internet provider giving us more reliable speed. Well, at that point, speed was really a problem, so we only had to make do with what we had. That's why we opted to have Kacific BambuNet to give our customers option for better connectivity. Well, satellite service providers provide internet connectivity without having to have a line. Of course, we are in a rooftop, so having it connected all the way up here, you'll have to have lining, you'll have to have connectivity at the ground floor. So with satellite internet, it's just a plug and play. We use it for our POS system, we use it for our credit card terminals, and of course, to provide internet to our customers when they're here at our establishment. Kacific BambuNet's after-sales service is actually very efficient. They send you an email response or they give you a call back immediately within the day. I highly recommend Kacific BambuNet as a service provider because it has reliable internet, good broadband, and great after-sales service.